Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video on a duct tape garden hose repair. This will be an easy tutorial for fixing a hole in a garden hose using duct tape only. It's actually really easy to do. Now, this is a temporary solution. This will probably stop the water from leaking out or from leaking out as quickly as it would be without the duct tape, but it's not a permanent solution. It's just a temporary fix to get you to the point where you can do a more permanent fix. So what I've done is I've actually drilled a hole. I've just used a little screw to put a tiny little hole in this garden hose. Now, like I said, your hole might be bigger, it might be smaller, but this will probably still work as long as you utilize this method effectively. The first thing that you want to do is you want to essentially get a little piece of duct tape over here, okay? And you want it to go in the same direction as the hose. So the first thing we're going to do is put a piece of duct tape in the same direction as the hose. It doesn't need to be that long. It just needs to be, I don't know, a few inches long. And make sure that the center of this basically is positioned over the hole. So right where my thumb is where the hole is, just like that. You can actually see it through the duct tape. And you're going to just really press on that hole. And you're going to go and you're going to wrap it around like that, okay? That's the first step. Now, the next step is that we're going to actually reinforce it using duct tape. And what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it in the opposite direction to really hold this down, okay? So essentially, we need a little bit of a longer piece of duct tape. So something like, I don't know, maybe about a foot, give or take. And what we're going to do, we're going to try and make this not touch the ground to make it as, as sticky as possible. The first part of the duct tape, we're going to put directly over the center of the hole right here, just like that, okay? And we're going to wrap it. I'm just trying to make it not touch the ground. We're going to wrap it around. We're going to go slightly to the side, as you can see. And then we'll wrap it around again. We're going to go slightly to the other side, just like that, okay? So what we've done is we've wrapped it around towards the right and towards the left. And if you really want, you can do that again just to be sure. And this time we're going to actually go and start on the left. So I'm going to start in the middle like I did before, but we're going to actually wrap towards the left now. Instead of towards the right, we're going to wrap towards the left. And what that's doing is that's just reinforcing the seal. And lastly, you want to make sure you overlap the edge of that first horizontal piece of duct tape. So what I'm going to do, just because I overlapped it on the left, I didn't overlap it on the right, I'm going to put a piece of tape here like this, and I'm going to overlap it just like that, okay? And what we've done now is we've created a nice temporary seal. Basically, duct tape is usable pretty much right away. So at this point, you're basically good to go. I mean, and putting any more duct tape on here wouldn't really be that effective. At this point, you have basically as effective as possible of a patch on that hole. So putting any more duct tape probably wouldn't make it any more effective. So you should be good to go at this point for a temporary fix. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.